Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be learning about how to identify a unique data in a dataset. Okay, so let's get it started. So what will be covered in this session? First and foremost thing, we will find out in a dataset how you can just highlight the duplicate data. That will be a quick kind of a dipstick check to see, okay, are there any duplicate data available? That is the first thing what we'll learn in this video. Second, we'll also learn how to identify unique data in a data set. And the last one, we will learn about how to delete that duplicate data. So whatever remaining would be the unique set of the data. Okay, and this would be super critical whenever you are starting any form of data analysis. Unless you clear out all the duplicates in the data sets, the outcome of that analysis will have errors on it. So with that note, we will head on straight into Excel with a small example what I have, and we'll see how to execute these three things in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see here, I have created a very small data set with, in column A we have product, and you have the different products available, and then in column B we have a lead time for production of those products, which is in days. Okay, so it's a very small data set just to demonstrate how to do all those things. So assume you need to just find out in this data set, do we have any duplicate products available, right? Is there any product which is repetitive? Okay, so all you need to do is first select the column A where you have all the products, and what you need to do is go on to the menu home, and in that you have the conditional formatting. Click that, and then directly click on the first option, highlight cell with rules. In that you have a standard option available, duplicate values. So moment you click that, and obviously you can select various options of conditional formatting. If you want a kind of an yellow fill, you can keep it, or you select whatever you want, or you can go to a custom format and you can select the formatting whatever you require. Okay, so keep things simple. I'm just going to just cancel this, select a standard option of a light red fill with a dark red text, as you can see it here. And moment you click OK, it's very clear that you have four duplicate line items. In the sense, t-shirt is repeating twice, and then apron is also repeating twice. Okay, so this would be a very quick check to understand, do we have any duplicates in a data set. The second step what we could also do is find out, and not just highlighting, you go ahead and pick up only the unique data into a separate area. I'll just demonstrate how to do that. So we can probably call this as identify the unique data in a data set. So here what we can do, first you select only the product. Okay, I'll demonstrate both ways because there is a small catch here, and select the product that is from A1 to A12, and head on directly to data, and in data there is an option here, advanced. Click on advanced, and in that, so in the advanced filter there are two options. One, you can filter it on the same location, this is the location, or you can copy this to another location. I will demonstrate both to you. First one, the filter the list in its place. Since I've already selected this, you already have the list range available. If not, you can just click this, and then you should be able to select like this. Okay, criteria range, again it's the same here also. If you either use the same thing, or you can just click and then you select like this. Okay, now I've selected list range, and the criteria range I've selected the list of products. Since it is filtered the list in the same place, your copy to is actually dehighlighted. Now click on unique records only and click OK. Now look here, your number of data now you have, previously it was 11, now it is only 9 over here. The reason being is very simple, the two duplicates have been removed and you have only the unique data set. You have to know here, it is not deleting the data at this point of time. As you can see, it is hidden, right? So basically it is only a filter. To clear it, all you need to do is go back and click on clear under the data menu. Now you can see it has come back here. Now within the same advanced filter option, I am going to demonstrate another variation to you. So go ahead and click on data, advanced. Previously what we have done is we filtered the list on the same place. Now what we'll do is select the second option, copy to another location, click on the list range. You can even select the whole column. Click on the criteria range. Here as well, you can select the complete column. And then you can select copy to which location you want the data to be pasted. So it can be any location. For example, I'll click on, say, D1. Okay, come back. And then you click on unique records only and click OK. Now what has happened here? You have seen all the unique but data have been pasted over here. One t-shirt which was a duplicate, and also the apron which got removed. Now let me go back and delete this. Now the third variation, wherein now that you're clear that there is a specific duplicates is available, you need to remove the duplicate data. In that case, what you need to do is go into the same data but not into the advanced option. Go right side to it. If you can see here, you have the data tools. In the data tools, right on the middle, you have remove duplicates. So moment you click on remove duplicates, you have a menu opening, and in that, if you see here, it is asking whether to use the product and lead time or only the product. So there is a difference. I'll explain you that. First, I'll show you. If you're selecting only the product, as you know, there is a t-shirt as well as apron. There are two duplicate products. Just click on OK, and it says two duplicate values found and they are removed, and the 9 unique values remain. Okay, so I click on OK. Now it is very clear that now you have a unique data in your table. Now let me undo it by doing a Control Z. Now I'll give you a catch here. For example, what if there are different fields available? Like for example, you have a lead time. Within the t-shirt, due to some wrong data collection, one of the t-shirt has a wrong lead time of say 8 days. I'm just introducing there is a variation because of the second field. In that case, what will happen? You select this data, go to clear duplicates, you select both product and the lead time and click on OK. Prior to that, I missed out one thing. When you are selecting a complete table, you need to also tell my data has headers. If you are selecting the complete table, in case you are leaving the header and selecting only the data, you can leave this unchecked. In this case, since I selected the header, I'm going to tell that my data has headers. So moment I do that, the headers automatically will come over here. So product and lead time, if I'm selecting both and clicking OK, now you see here only one duplicate value was removed, right? Because t-shirt, though it is a duplicate at a product level, you have different lead time. So it is very important. Now you can go and find out, hey, there is something wrong. How come a same product have two different lead times? You discuss with the team. Now you come back and fix this, like which is the right value. So let me undo again and assume you came back and decided, okay, you know what, the t-shirt right value is 10, so I'll update it to 10. Now I will rerun the duplicates removal again. So I have selected the table. I'll go back to remove duplicates, selected product and lead time, hit OK. Now see, the two duplicate values have been removed since the data is also consistent. This is very important when you have multiple columns. When you are removing, you cannot remove that in isolation. You need to select the complete table so that if there is any variation which is available, you will be able to find it out. So basically that's it on this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just feel free to leave it on the comment box. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.